In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable Dolby Sound on your VLC Media Player. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Tools tab up at the top and then select Preferences. Select the Audio button or tab up at the top here. And then where it says Show Settings at the bottom, select All. And then on the left panel, select Audio. And then on the right side where it says Force detection of Dolby sound, click the drop down and you want to select off and then select save, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.